guys, welcome to First Gen Diesel, and it's First Gen Friday. So in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fan clutch on your First Gen Dodge Diesel. I've got a little bit of shade here for the next hour or so, and it really shouldn't even take that long to replace this thing. You will need to take the fan and the fan shroud out. And one thing I like to do is I like to lock the engine by clamping the belt on the alternator pulley, and that locks it up enough to where you can break that nut loose on the fan clutch. Well, let's get to it. And this is my homemade tool, and remember, these are threaded backwards because of the engine rotation. And like that, it's loose, and then you can just spin it off. Okay, alright, now that you got the fan loose, we need to get the fan shroud off of here. Use something to pry up these clips, like so, and then you can bring the fan and the fan shroud out at the same time. Use the old tailgate here as a bench. Next, you need to get you a socket, 13mm, either one works. Just like that, the crappy aftermarket one is off. This is a genuine Mopar part. This right here is the part number, and I got this from Gino's Garage. It roughly cost me about 175 bucks. Quite a bit more than the one you'll get at Napa, but the ones at Napa and O'Reilly's just don't work. So now we'll just reverse the process. Now we'll go put it back in. So now that your fan shroud is situated and it's in the slots in the bottom, you can put these clips back on. Now this can be kind of tricky, but just be patient and work it on there. You'll probably find that the most difficult thing on this is getting the threads to start back on this. Alright, now there's no need to tighten it up because the engine will do the job for you. It will not come off. Take your clamp off and you're ready to go. Well, next thing is I need to go test it out just to make sure it's working properly. Spinning the clutch fan, it definitely had way more resistance than the aftermarket one. So I have a feeling that it is going to work much better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. We'll see you again right here next time on First Gen Diesel.